Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a way to improve your content creation process, this AI is definitely worth checking out. With its ability to generate creative text formats, brainstorming ideas, and improve your writing, TypeFrame AI can be a valuable asset to digital marketers and content creators. Whether it's a blog post, social media caption, or any text content, you can start by writing the words you want to bring. It's easy to customize and personalize with your unique story ideas. You can tweak colors, fonts, layouts, personal style easily. You can upload it and you can add visual impacts with the eye-catching animations and motion effects. And if you also want to learn such AI tools, then there is an amazing workshop with us with only ₹9 and link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just ₹9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now, you can say that you have to just simply log in with your registered email ID and you will be easily accessed to create videos either from your text or from URLs. Just go to create video option and you will find several options. You can select your text and color palette or choose any of the audio options. I'll write the text for which I want the video. I'll select the audio and add any of the frames to any of the keywords as per your requirement. Even you can add the animations according to your requirements. Select auto improve mode. If you don't know anything, it will automatically improve the speed, beats, etc. Let's see what it has created for us. Adjust the frame speed, synchronize the beats to all frames for all the current frames, change the background, animated gradients are also present over here, easily change the effects, fonts, element and much more. On the top right corner, you will find changing background, alignments, text media transition and even audio. You can change the aspect ratio to as per your requirement and make utilize of all the above options. But before moving to the second feature, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Now, in the next feature, we will see how to create AI-generated clips with just writing a prompt. As I have mentioned the prompt, you can pause the video and read it. And after that, I'll simply go and select the voice, adjust the clicks and generate the video. Within 30 seconds, I can say that less than 30 seconds is that created amazing video. Let's check it out.
Scene set in a foggy, ancient forest at twilight, where a formidable warrior stands tall and proud. Clad in weathered armor that tells the story of countless battles, he grips 2 gleaming, sharp swords in his battle-worn hands. His gaze is fierce, piercing through the mist, as he addresses an unseen foe with a commanding voice. Leave this territory or face the wrath of its guardian. His stance is unyielding, embodying the spirit of a protector who has sworn to defend his land against any threat. This image captures a moment of tension where the air is thick with the promise of a battle should his warning go unheeded.
Don't you find this amazing creation worthy? Explore more from your end and share with your friends also who is into content creation or any sort of the digital marketing and who have to create the content every day. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. And if you have tried TypeFrame AI, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This was Ushma signing off. Until next time.